Next example. By using DMT, De Morgan's theorem, find all fourth roots of 81. Okay, so we will take 32, fifth root of fourth root of 81. Okay, so let x notation fourth root of 81 means 81 raised to power 1 by 4. Okay, 81 3 raised to power 4 raised to power 1 by 4. Okay, this is same as raised to power 4 into 1. 3 raised to power 4 raised to power 1 by 4. 1 raised to power 1 by 4. This cancel is 3 only. So one of the answer is 3 must be pulled out. Your 81 is 3 raised to power 4 raised to power 4 cancel. 3 is one of the answer, but I want 4 values. 3 means only one answer. Okay. But by this application of De Morgan's theorem, as well you can find here 4 values. So one means we know convert to trigonometry because De Morgan's theorem in trigonometry sin cos 0 plus I sin 0. Again we know sin cos are periodic functions. So cos of 0 plus 2 pi k plus I sin 0 plus 2 pi k cos of 2 pi k plus I sin 2 pi k is to power 1 by 4. Now De Morgan's theorem. So 3 same De Morgan's theorem, cos of n theta cos of 2 pi k into 1 by 4. I sin 2 pi k into 1 by 4. So 2 cancel. 2 cancel. Okay. That means x equals to 3 cos of pi k by 2 plus I sin pi k by 2. Okay. Now values are, I want 4 values. Okay. 4 values. So putting k equals to 0, 1, 2, 3. So 4 values starting from 0 means up to 3. Put the values. So k equal to 0. Okay. x 0. 3 into k equal to 0, this completely 0, cos 0, this completely 0, sin 0, cos 0 1, sin 0 0. Okay, x equal to 3. 1, 3 is one of the answer. No doubt. Other 3 answers are. So k equal to 1, x1 3 cos of k equal to 1 pi by 2 plus I sin pi by 2. So cos 90 0, sin 90 1. So 3i. Second answer. K equals to 2, x2 3 cos of pi 2 I sin pi 2 and 2. So 2 to cancel. Cos pi plus I sin pi. Cos pi is minus 1. Sin pi is 0. Last, k equals to 3 x3 3 times cos of k equal to 3 pi by 2 plus I sin 3 pi by 2. So cos 270 minus 1 sin cos 270 0, sin 270 minus 1. So this is minus 3i. So these are 4 answers. Okay, 3 minus 3, 3i minus 3i. So these are the 4 roots of 81. Next example. Values, all the values. Minus 1 is to power 1 by 3. Okay, so mass raised to power 1 by 3, 3 values. So x is minus 1 raised to power 1 by 3. So standard again, convert to sin cos, minus 1 standard relation, minus 1 is a cos pi plus I sin pi, cos pi is minus 1, sin pi is 0. So this minus 1 expressed as cos pi plus I sin pi, standard relation. Now sin cos periodic functions are, so cos of pi plus 2 pi k, I sin pi plus 2 pi k. So everywhere sin cos angle we can add 2 pi k because sin cos are periodic function with period 2 pi k. Now values apply De Morgan's theorem. Cos of pi plus 2 pi k into 1 by 3, that means upon 3, I sin pi plus 2 pi k into 1 by 3 is pi 3. Okay. using by De Morgan's theorem. Okay, now around 3 values are, so putting values of k starting from 0. So 0, 1, 2. So k equal to 0. Okay, first value, suppose say f0. So k equal to 0, cos of pi plus 0, pi by 3 plus I sin pi plus 0 by 3, cos pi by 3. Okay, so cos pi by 3, cos 60, 1 by 2, sin 60, root 3 by 2. Next, k equals to 1, x1 suppose, cos of k equal to 1, 2 pi plus 1 by 3 pi upon 3, 3 cancel, pi plus I sin pi, cos pi minus 1, sin pi 0, minus 1. Last, k equals to 2, x2, k equals to 2. Okay, cos of 2 into 2, 4 plus 1, 5. So 5 pi by 3 plus I sin 5 pi by 3. Cos of 5 pi by 3 plus I sin 5 pi by 3. Okay, so these are 3 values. 3 values are 1 by 3, 3 values. 1 by 4, 4 values. 1 by 5, 5 values. Okay. So convert to sin cos first of all, because De Morgan's theorem in terms of sin cos. But 1 by 4, 1 by 5, 1 by 6, then 3 values. Next, important problem. Show that the continued product of 4 values of this cos pi by 3 plus I sin pi by 3 raised to power 3 by 4 is unity. Okay, unity 1. So product of 4 values of this. Okay. So 4 values must be 1 by 4 and not be 3 by 4. 1 by 4, 1 by 5, 1 by 6, okay. And root of unity. Any root of values. So 3 will be removed first of all. So let notation x suppose. So cos of pi by 3 plus I sin pi by 3 raised to power 3 by 4. So for 3 by 4, okay, now we apply 3 by 4. I only 1 by 4 only here. Okay, here only 1 by 4. So 3 will be removed. So apply first for 3, De Morgan's theorem for 3. break 3, apply for 3. De Morgan's theorem. So 1 by 3. So cos of pi by 3 into 3 plus I sin pi by 3 into 3. So 3 cancel, 3 cancel, only pi cos. And you know I want k, there must be k, 2 pi k must be added. Okay, so cos pi means cos of pi plus 2 pi k. I sin pi means pi plus 2 pi k. So 2 pi k must be introduced. So in every problem I want so many values, then okay, must be introduced in a k. Because periodic function, sin is periodic function and cos is a periodic function. Now apply De Morgan's theorem. Cos of pi plus 2 pi k into 1 by 4 is upon 4 I sin pi plus 2 pi k into 4 is by 4. Okay, so this after simplify. Now I want values are. So values I want 4 values. So k running from start with 0. So putting k equals to starting from 0 and I want 4 values. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, k equal to 1. So put 1 by 1, k equal to 0, x 0. So cos of k equal to 0, pi by 4, cos of pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4, k equal to 0, pi by 4. So cos pi by 4, cos 45, 1 upon root 2, sin 45, 1 upon root 2. So it's like first answer. That's I don't know answer. I have to condense part of 4 values of these. So this is first value. Answer I don't know answer. But to show product of 4 values of these roots are. So k equal to 1. x1 cos of pi by 4, sorry, k equal to 1, okay, k equal to 1, 2 pi plus 1 pi, 3 pi by 4 plus I sin 3 pi by 4. You convert to e raised to power Euler's function. I want product multiple, I want it simplified multiple. So e raised to power best way to find the product. This is same as e raised to power I pi by 4. This is e raised to power I 3 pi by 4 e raised to power because product you can easily find out. K equal to 2 x2 cos of 2 into 2 4 plus 1 5 pi by 4 plus I sin 5 pi by 4. This is e raised to power I. ठीक है, cos theta plus I sin theta e raised to power I theta. Euler's formula k equals to 3 x3 cos of k equal to 3 6 plus 1 7 I sin 7. This is e raised to power I 7 pi by 4. Okay, so these are 4 values on this. Now I want product of this. is unity is 1. So now product of these four values x0, x1, x2 and x3, their product. So in this cos product multiple, we use the e raised to power. In the cos cannot multiply. So e raised to power, we have index law. Okay, so e raised to power, index law, addition. E raised to power I, their addition. Pi by 4, 3 pi by 4, 5 pi by 4, 7 pi by 4, I total. So pi 4 pi 4 or is 12, 16 pi. 16 pi by 4, 4 pi. Okay, now convert to sin cosine. So we to simplify, e raised to power convert, and after simplify, convert to e raised to power. So e raised to power I theta cos theta plus I sin theta 4 pi. So cos of 4 pi, okay, 1, and sin of 4 pi, okay, 0. This one answer. Okay, so product of, okay, all four values of this will be unity, and hence book. Product of four values of that term, okay, okay, that will be unity is 1. Hence book. Okay. Follow?